These are the suspects. Yes, thank you for joining us on BBC Pidgin. These are the suspects arrested in connection. Now, this be the suspect where they arrest in connection with the murder of Fadare Oluwashikemi. The three of them, Shikemi Olajiga, and our parents are here. They carry them come court today and they arraign them on 3-count charges. Yes, now then they leave court be that. Now the police carry them come today. They carry them enter court today. The three of them, Oluwashikemi Olajiga with his parents, which they carry enter court on top the murder of Demilade Fadare. The magistrate don't adjourn the case to January 10, 2022 and don't tell the police say make them forward to the Directorate of Public Prosecution the case file for legal advice. As they say, I'm so. Now we see they live for inside magistrate court for Ado Ekiti, where police arraign the suspected killer of Demilade Fadare. Now this prime suspect now Oluwashikemi Fadare and two others. The two others now in parent. The police they charge them for murder and negligence leading to murder. The chief magistrate we sit down on top the case today. Magistrate Michael Faola don't talk say make them remand the suspect for correctional center where they inside Ado Ekiti. He also talks say make them forward the case file to the Directorate of Public Prosecution, make them give legal advice. Viewers, you go recall say on November 6, Demilade Fadare, a 7-year-old girl for inside Ado Ekiti, in parents sent the girl on errand make it go buy pap, and the girl she never returned home. She was eventually they can't declare her missing, and in the course of search, when they search for the girl, in the area one of their neighbor, Mr. Olajiga, come go tell police say the corpse of the girl where they found they inside the house, and police come follow them go the place where the police discovered the corpse packed in a sack, and the police eventually they come arrest the girl, the parent, and the parent talk say na their daughter will do the job. So the following day the police eventually arrested the daughter, and the three of them now then carry come inside court today.